Well, friends, today we'll have the question based on the question that are asked in many of the examination to find out the uh, last two digit in the expenses. Like suppose we are asked what is the last two digit in the expense 71 raised to power 171. What is the last two digits of 91 raised to power 105? This question we want to answer this to go. Well, friends, first of all, let's say 41 raised to power 1. We got here 41 raised to last two digits very clearly. It is equal to 41. No need to explain this part. Now, this here it is. No need to bother about this question is like that. But 41 whole square is 1681. The last is 81. 41 cube it is equal to last when you multiply the 81 by this is again 21. 41 I multiply the 41 will go. Last two digit again 41 multiply last is equal to 161. That's we got it. It's equal to 1 and 21 then 4 618. We have just see the logic of doing this one. How we got the trick of doing to find out the last two digit is evident from this example, and we'll make the use of this concept in further finding the last two digit of a number in the multiplication or in the exponential cases. 41 I got 1 here all the time, ending with the 4, like this is 61. The answer last will be equal to 1. In this case the last will be equal to 1. In this case last will be equal to last digit I know will be equal to 1, which were done in the find a unit place digit. We already know about it, and that's we got into here. Now the second one case is I got multiply 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. 4 multiplied by 3 it is equal to 12. 2 taken here. 4 multiplied by 4 is this is equal to what? Again 16. So we got the idea. We got the one that what will be the last two digit? It's multiply the 6 by 1. That answer is 61. Multiply by this is now here this 7 by 1. It is if I multiply the second digit by this is equal to what? 71. I multiply the 9 with 5 is equal to 45. Last two digit is equal to this one. I say 81 suppose and raised to the power 1049. What is the last two digit of this is equal to? The last two digit, one is okay 1 and now 8, 9, this one is multiplied and we got 2. This is 21. How this we find out the last two digit of a number when we find in this type of cases. Now suppose I want to apply this result now further on. In case of 3, in ending a number in case of 3, 7 and 9. Let's look at the cyclic manner of this 3. 3 raised to the power 1 is equal to 3. 3 raised to the power 2 is equal to 9. 3 raised to the power 3 is 27. 3 raised to the power 4 is equal to 81. I got 81 here. Suppose I want to find last two digit of 3 raised to the power 105. Okay. First of all case I take the, let's take the 1024. Suppose first simple case like this. I'll do that. This is I convert 3 raised to the power 4 raised to the power 31. This is equal to 81 raised to the power 31. Applying the earlier rule, it must last two digit will be equal to 1 and 8 multiplied by 1 is equal to 81. Last digit is equal to 81. Right? Now suppose the example 3 raised to the power 105. What I'll do? 3 raised to the power 5. I'll do like that. 3 raised to the power, if I divide by 4 to the 8, 4 6 that, and 3 raised to the power, now 3 raised to the power 4 into 26. 3 raised to the power 1. I divide like this. Now this is equal to 81 raised to the power 26. 3 raised to the power 1 is equal to last two digit of this is equal to last two digit is equal to 1 and 8 multiplied by 6, 81 multiplied by 3, the answer is 3 and 4. The 43 is the last two digit in case of 3 raised to the power 105. We applied the rule which we learned in the first case. Let's case of the 7. 7 raised to the power something or something like that. Now suppose I got 7, what is cyclic of 7? 7 raised to power 7, 7 2 raised to power 49, 7 raised to power 7, it is 6, something like that. 7 raised to power 4 is 1. I got 7 raised to power 5. Now suppose I want to find out the, find last two digits of 7 raised to power, say 148. So 148, so 148 is equal to 7 raised to the power. 7 raised to the power what? 7 raised to the power 4, now 3 and 7, like this. Now this is here too. Now this 7 raised to the power 4, it is equal to what? 7 raised to the power 4. I got, what is the 170 raised to the power 37 will be what? Now 49, I multiply by 49 to 7, 3 is equal to 344, and then multiply by 7, 21, 2 and 0 here. Last two digit is 0, 1. So answer is 1, 0 into 7 is 0, 1, that's last 0, 7. So I want to find 7 raised to the power 100 and 105. Suppose the example earlier taken, 7 raised to the power 4 and it is 26. And then 7 here it is. The answer of this is equal to 0, 1 raised to the power 26 is equal to 0, 1 and into 7. The answer is 0, 7 is last digit. How we can find out for the one to go in this case? Now 9 raised to the power 105. 9 square we got, 9 to square is equal to that 9 raised to the power 1. 81 here, 52. Oh, that's 9. Is equal to what? 1 and 6, last two digits using formula. Into my 9 is equal to 9 and 4. That's we got the last two digits of this is equal to this. How we can find out to get the number ending with the 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Rest how what will be 2, 4, 6, 9 we'll discuss in the next topic.